Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off app sounds in the Pinterest app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Pinterest app. And here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our feed. From this menu we have to go into the saved menu. And then in the saved menu, in the top right corner, we find the little cog. If we tap on the cog, then we are going to be presented with a list. From this list, we select settings. And then from settings, we select account management. And then we find the app sounds and the little toggle button in the right. If we tap on this, it's going to turn off the app sounds in the Pinterest app. And if we tap on this again, it's going to turn it back on. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.